Step into the 2007 Dodge Caliber SXT. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: adjustable steering wheel, auxiliary audio input, engine immobilizer, front disc rear drum brakes, front-wheel drive, keyless entry, pass-through rear seat, passenger airbag sensor and power door locks. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.